have the grid pattern in there to take.
Looks like your focus is here, a little less busy or leading towards you. No, where usually your focus is.
It was a deadly hermit crab.
Oh, that's a hairy coconut.
Whoa.
Let's stand up and have about a hand underneath your crotch. You just want to have like this much space. And for so long, they start to like hurt. You're not a jockey and flipper. And it was just like this. He's got a sensitive neck. That's what it is every time. He doesn't like me. Okay. Your mask on? I'm over here, the guy with the fucking mask. Mucho gusto. No, por ellas. Goes up, you stand up, and then when he goes down, you sit down. And then he runs after you do that for a while.
Sí. Lo más chico es más mejor.
Es muy pequeñito así.
Izquierda. Here we go. Uh-oh, got a race. It's on.
Oh, my Taurus is tired. Just lost in the trees. Just doesn't like the road because of the rock.
We're wearing bits.
Exhausted, I'm killing him.
Easy, bro. Take us on some gnarly ass shit. And he was like,
Yeah, kind of, except for the wood.
great, dude. No worries. Just squeeze those thighs. You're fine. Good job. Way to stay on, babe. Back. Put those heels down, babe. Don't let your feet slide in. When you're going down, don't pull it on the rein. Below. Just bring it below. Get below him. Stay in front of him. Keep running down the hill. I know, right? Oh, yeah.